In this video, I will show you how to reset a Hisense TV to fix issues like freezing, lagging, being stuck on a screen, or not responding properly. We'll start with simple reset methods and then move to factory reset options if needed. Let's get started. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fixit Tech, the channel where I help you fix Windows, PC, and tech issues with simple step-by-step guides. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and let's jump right in. Let's start with the easiest method, which is a power reset. This method does not delete any of your settings or personal data. It is useful if your Hisense TV is running slowly, apps are freezing, the remote is responding late, or you're seeing small software issues. To do this, turn off your TV completely and unplug it from the wall outlet. If your TV has a physical power button, press and hold that button for 30 seconds. If your TV does not have a power button, simply leave it unplugged. After that, wait for 1 full minute. Then plug the TV back into the wall outlet and turn it on. Once the TV starts up, check if the problem has been fixed. If the issue is still there, the next step is a factory reset using the TV settings. For this method, you will need your remote. Press the home button and open settings. From there, go to Support, System, or Device Preferences, depending on your Hisense TV model. Look for Reset to Factory Default or Factory Reset and select it. If the TV asks for a PIN, try the common default PIN codes 0000, 1234, or 2233. After entering the PIN, select Confirm or Reset. The TV will restart automatically and begin the reset process. Keep in mind that this will remove all settings and personal data and return the TV to its original factory settings. If you do not have a remote, you can try using the physical reset button on the TV. Look for a small reset pinhole. On many Hisense TVs, it is located near the HDMI or USB ports. On some models, it may be along the bottom edge of the TV. Make sure the TV is turned on. Then use a paperclip or pin to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. When the Hisense logo appears on the screen, release the button and wait for the TV to reboot. After the restart, the TV should open the initial setup screen. Another method you can try is the exit button reset method. Point your remote at the TV and press, and hold the exit button for about 15 to 20 seconds. Keep holding until a factory reset message appears on the screen. When you see the prompt, select Yes or Confirm. The TV will restart and complete the factory reset process. If that option does not work on your model, you can also try resetting the TV using the buttons on the TV itself. First, turn the TV off and unplug it from power for about 10 seconds. Plug it back in, then press and hold the volume down button and the channel down button on the TV. Keep holding both buttons until the setup screen appears. Once the setup screen shows up, the TV will enter the factory reset process. If your remote is lost, not working, or you cannot use the TV buttons, you can use a smartphone as a remote. First, make sure your smartphone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then download a compatible app like the Hisense Remote Now app or any universal TV remote app from your app store. Open the app and allow it to search for your TV. When your TV appears on the screen, tap on it to connect. Once connected, use the app just like a remote, open the settings menu, go to the factory reset option, and confirm the reset. And there you have it. I hope this guide helped you reset your Hisense TV and get it working properly again. Whether a simple power reset fixed the issue or you needed a full factory reset, one of these methods should help in most situations. If a method worked for you, or if you have a question, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.